Thank you, Ratna. So, Visnath, can we just move to the next one, or you want to man?
Sorry, I'm on mute. I think Samain and Bunya should finish first, and then we cannot
Okay.
come all together. Yeah.
Yep. Samain, floor is yours.
Thank you so much. Okay, good morning, Dr. Sa, Dr. Visna, all Dr. Professor, and all member. Thank you so much, Stani, the group lead, for facilitating and helping. This is now my third time presenting. Okay, I'm very happy to present the competitor analysis and competitive advantage accounting. And I have to stress that this is very important. If you want your business to grow, please pay attention to my presentation. Okay, so first of all, my sound is clear and okay, right? Just want to check. Good. Sorry. Okay, so first of all, just want you to understand competitor analysis, right? Definition, competitor analysis examines similar brand to gain insight into their offering, branding, sale, and marketing approach. So our business happening to win, right? So to be able to win, we need to have insight. What are the people doing? The purpose of this computer analysis is to identify, to leverage factor that give your company an edge over our competitor. Our focus is gather, organize a vital information about competitor, strategy, sale effort, product offering to be able to set a strategy and having a win business, right? Okay, so through my slide, you will see the competitor analysis framework that will be used. So including strategic group analysis. Next, please. SWOT analysis, Porter 5-4, Porter 5-4, growth share matrix, perpetual mapping, past analysis, business model canvas, customer journey, 7P marketing model. So all of that will be presented. Some I will do very fast, while some I also include some of the example that related to my working right now. So next, please. Okay, so before I start the framework, just give you some quick overview of this competitive analysis in general for school. So this is school. We have I put fake name, Riverside, Cambridge, Phoenix, Medaran, Harmony, Gateway, and Subin here. So you can see tuition fee across the line, right? 19,000, 17, 5,000, all of that. So we see here what are the tuition fee compared to all school. We have curriculum also compare. So some of the school are IB, British American, IB Australia, or American, fully American, or UK, something like that. We have a student to teacher ratio. So you see some school are 10 compared to one teacher. Some school are 15, the highest one are 15 students to one teacher ratio. We have number of students here, 800, 750, 1,000. So we compare student number. We compare facility. So size of the school here, some school are 10 hectare, 8, 5, 12. Facility quality, we look at whether that is premium quality or standard quality. And we can break down more quality here. We can break down more like sport area. What do they have? They have football, they have basketball, they have swimming pool. We can break it down, all of that. Teacher qualification, 90% are international, 85% international, 60% international, something like that. And we also have a market share. So this gives you some picture of like what competitor analysis can look like, right? To be able to hear example for private school. So if you look at here, so the mid-tier institution, sorry, the premium one, Riverside, Cambridge, and medium, they are very premium. And then mid-tier are Phonics, Harmony, Gateway, Serving here, because their tuition fee are average, and they can attract student also. Okay, next.